flexibility. This refers to the capacity to use the joints in its normal range of movements. A person with a good flexibility can undertake tasks efficiently with less risk of injury. How to measure flexibility? Teachers, would you please do some zipper test? Demonstrate. Yes. Okay, let's do this. This exercise measures the flexibility of the shoulder joints. Procedure. Do some warm-up activities. Reach the back of the right shoulder with the right hand and place the left hand behind and try to touch the fingers of the right hand. Do the same procedure with the left hand on the back of the left shoulder. Record the score whether hands are painful. Okay.